This is where these are going.
For the Toyota Venza, I came across two different style daytime running lights. They're the same but different. You can tell by the way that they are. This one here, wiring's a little bit different. Only the turn signal comes out of the actual light fixture. The rest comes through the wiring harness. This one also has a fuse connected to it, but this type of wire loom. This model here has just the positive and negative coming through the wiring harness. No fuse, of course you could add that in. And then the blue would be for the blue lights and the yellow for the turn signal. So let's light them up and compare. First, I'm just gonna hook up the 12-volt power, and you'll see they each have a little bit different sequence when they turn on. So now we'll go ahead and turn on what would be simulating the turn signal. So on the left one, and all I'm doing is touching the yellow wire to 12-volt power. You've got a sequential from the top down. Then it turns back to white. The other version got a little bit quicker sequential. Maybe I can actually do them at the same time. Yeah, maybe they are about the same speed. Then they both go back to white. Then we'll hook up the blue wire, which just turns them blue. Now on this one, if you recall, the one blue wire on the left set is going to activate them both, where on the right set, each one has its own blue wire. So I'm not going to use the blue wire. I'm just going to hook it up with white and the turn signal. So that's it. That's the comparison. I happen to like the version on the left a little bit better. I think it looks just a little bit smoother and sleeker, but you may like this one better. They both serve about the same purpose. And we will install them on the next video.